Obviously, I've been requested to give a review regarding the lessons that I've been having with the Ustad. And what I have found is that these lessons have been very beneficial for me, and that is mostly due to the quality of the teaching and the consistency of the teaching. So when I talk about the quality of the teaching, I find that the teacher is very attentive to what I am reading. And despite that, we're doing this online, he is still able to find some tiny mistakes in the way I pronounce certain huruf, and the makharij of it. So I find that during these instances that is being looked at very well. Um, Also, once I have the mistakes and I've finished my lesson, we go over the mistakes and where I went wrong, so that next time, when I read it again, that's for me to then consider not to make these same mistakes again. So those are the things that I like, and also in terms of the consistency, the teacher is always on time first and foremost, um, and always allows for the full 30 minutes, sometimes even extending, without making it seem rushed. Um, um, yeah, and uh, just general behavior of the teachers is professional, is kind, and inviting. So I have only praise for the teacher, and that is due to the fact that I have this consistency. Um, and even though sometimes I read less than I would want to read, um, he's still encouraging me to less to read, even if it's an eye, even if it's half a page, even if it's a page. Um, for it's better to read than to just skip a lesson and then just wait for the next one. So this is very important for me, and yeah, I would love to continue to work with this sheikh.